Good morning, students. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study class 8th science chapter number 12 friction part 9. It is on your book page number 177 to 178. In this video we will discuss about how to increase the friction and how it is been advantageous at certain places. So increasing friction. Sometimes it is desirable to increase the friction. This can be done by increasing the roughness of the surfaces in contact. हम फ्रिक्शन को बढ़ा सकते हैं. हाउ? Friction can be increased by increasing the roughness of the surface which is in contact with each other. So the tires of the vehicle such as motorbike, car, buses and trucks have deep grooves called treads. These treads increase the friction between the tire and the road, providing a better road grip. तो क्या होता है, जो टायर के अंदर ट्रीड्स होते हैं, that is the grooves, are being deep as to increase the roughness, and due to which the friction increases so as to get the better grip on the road. This prevent skidding, okay, of tire on the road. Okay, treads also increase the braking ability of the vehicle, so it prevents the skidding of the tires, means गाड़ी आपकी slip नहीं होगी. It prevents the slipping of the tire on the road. Apart from that, treads also increase the braking ability of the vehicle, means if we apply the brake, the braking ability of the vehicle is also increased. Okay. Third, the weightlifters apply powder on their hands before lifting heavy weights. जो वेट लिफ्टर होते हैं वो अपने हाथ में पाउडर या कुछ सैंड लगा लेते हैं before lifting the heavy load. This increases the friction and helps them to get the better grip or the firm grip on the rod on which the load is attached. Athletes and the mountaineers have spikes on their sole of their shoes. Okay, these increase the friction and help them to get the firm grip on the ground. So the athletes and the mountaineers have their spikes on the sole of the shoe. This increases the friction between the shoe sole and the ground surface. Okay, when a ground or the surface becomes slippery after rain, sand is spread over it to increase the friction. बारिश के बाद आपका ग्राउंड सरफेस कैसा हो जाता है, स्लिपरी हो जाता है, तो उस पर हम क्या डालते हैं, सैंड टू इंक्रीज द फ्रिक्शन. द ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन यूज्ड इन द किचन has been rough surface. This provides appropriate friction for the grinding purpose. जो grinding stone होते हैं, okay, they have been having the rough surface so as to get more friction for the better grinding purpose. Handles of cricket bat, bicycles have been covered with rubber grip to get the firm grip. Bat handles and bicycle handles have been covered with rubber grip to get the firm grip. Screw provided more friction, or screw provides more friction as compared to that of the iron nail, as they have the thread around them to achieve the proper grip. एक जो स्क्रू होता है उसकी ज़्यादा अच्छी ग्रिप होती है एज कम्पेयर टू दैट ऑफ द आयरन नेल, बिकॉज इट इज हैविंग द थ्रेड, ओके, हैविंग द थ्रेड्स अराउंड them to achieve the proper grip. The tile used on the floors of the bathroom are been designed with small grooves on the gentle, okay, spikes on the surface. Such a design increases the friction between the surface of the wet floor and our foot and protect us from slipping. जो बाथरूम टाइल्स होती हैं उस पर स्पेशल डिज़ाइन होता है उसका, okay, to increase the friction as to get the more grip between our foot and the floor, the wet floor, and prevent us from slipping. Okay, thank you.